Decision making is a fundamental cognitive process that enables individuals to select among various options, shaping personal lives, professional paths, and societal outcomes. Recent research in cognitive psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral economics has provided deeper insights into how decisions are made, the factors influencing them, and strategies to enhance decision quality. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we explore decision making. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Decision making involves evaluating information, considering possible outcomes, and choosing a course of action. This process can be influenced by various cognitive and emotional factors. Let's further look into these. Dual process theory. This theory suggests that there are two systems of thinking. System 1 is fast, intuitive, and emotional, and System 2 is slow, deliberate, and logical. For example, when faced with a moral dilemma, individuals might experience an immediate emotional response, which is System 1, but can override it with a rational analysis, which is System 2. Emotional influences. Emotions play a significant role in decision making. Studies have shown that emotional states can affect the choices individuals make, sometimes leading to decisions that deviate from purely rational considerations. Let's look at the steps involved in problem solving. Problem solving is a core aspect of thinking and is central to cognitive psychology. Problem solving involves a series of cognitive steps that help an individual move from a current unsatisfactory state to a desired goal state. Let's break down these steps. Number 1, identifying the problem. The first step in problem solving is recognizing and clearly defining the problem. This involves understanding what the problem is, what information is relevant, and what is irrelevant. For example, imagine you're trying to fix a car that won't start. You first identify that the problem is the car not starting, not something else like a flat tire. Number 2, understanding the problem. Once a problem is identified, the next step is to develop a deeper understanding of it. This involves gathering information about the problem's causes, its nature, and possible constraints. In the car example, you might check if the battery is charged, if there is fuel, or if there's a mechanical issue. Number 3, formulating possible strategies. After understanding the problem, you generate possible strategies and approaches to solve it. This stage involves brainstorming and using past experience to suggest ways to address the issue. For the car that won't start, strategies might include checking the battery and jump starting it, checking the fuel level, and checking the spark plugs. Number 4, organizing information. At this stage, you organize the information you've gathered and assess the possible strategies you've identified. This helps you decide on the most promising approach. You might realize the car's lights are working fine, which means the battery is okay, but the fuel gauge is empty. This suggests fuel might be the issue. Number 5, allocating resources. Problem solving also requires allocating resources like time, energy, and sometimes money to implement the selected strategy. If you need to buy fuel or get a mechanic's help, you decide how much time and money to spend on the solution. Number 6, monitoring progress. As you attempt to solve the problem, you need to monitor whether your strategy is working. If it is not, you might need to try a different approach. If adding fuel didn't work, you might try checking the spark plugs or ignition system. And number 7, evaluating the results. Finally, once you have implemented the solution, you evaluate the results to see if the problem has been solved. If not, you may revisit earlier steps to refine your approach. If the car still won't start after checking everything, you might call a mechanic to get expert help. These steps, from identifying the problem to evaluating results, highlight how problem solving is an active, dynamic process. It often involves trial and error or flexibility to shift strategies if needed. Whether it's fixing a car, resolving a conflict, or tackling complex math problems, these steps provide a helpful roadmap. There are several factors that impede effective decision making. Number one, cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias, which involves favoring information that confirms existing beliefs, and anchoring, which involves relying heavily on the first piece of information encountered, can skew judgment. Number two, decision fatigue. Making numerous decisions can deplete mental resources, leading to reduced decision quality over time. This phenomena, known as decision fatigue, can result in impulsive choices or decision avoidance. Framing effects. The way information is presented can influence decisions. For instance, individuals may react differently to a treatment described as having a 90% success rate versus a 10% failure rate, despite both conveying the same information. Intuition in complex decisions. Recent studies highlight the value of intuition in decision making, especially in complex or time-sensitive situations. Intuition or gut feeling can guide individuals when analytical processing is limited. Decision making in artificial intelligence. Research into autonomous vehicles has explored how incorporating social sensitivity into AI decision making can reduce harm in road scenarios. By modeling human-like ethical considerations, these systems aim to make safer decisions. Enhancing decision-making skills. The following can help improve decision-making. Number one, awareness of biases. Recognizing personal biases can help mitigate their impact. Number two, structured decision-making processes. Employing tools like decision matrices can aid in evaluating options systematically. Number three, mindfulness and reflection. Practicing mindfulness can enhance awareness of emotional influences on decisions. Number four, limiting choices. Reducing the number of options can alleviate decision fatigue. In conclusion, understanding the cognitive and emotional components of decision making can lead to more informed and effective choices. By applying insights from recent research, individuals and organizations can enhance their decision making processes, leading to better outcomes across various domains. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health worksheets and resources, please visit my website. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're up to date on all our videos. As always, thanks for watching.